Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to give style to tables. So we have created one table using the HTML table tag and it contains some data. So let's see first what will be the effect without giving any style. So let's run without giving style. So we can see that this table is created and which have no style in the table. So now let's give style to this table using CSS style and various table selector properties. So first let create table selector. In table we can use any CSS properties, like if you want to set border of the table, then we can use border. I want to set border width of 1 pixel. I want to give solid border and color of border to pink. We can also set border width and height property. If I want to create table of size which is equal to window size, then I have to give width to 100%. I want to set height is equal to 500 pixel. We can also set properties of td and th tag, which is table data and table header tag. So let's set table header properties and table data properties. First I want to set table data properties. Background color is equal to yellow and color of text to red. We can also set text align to table data. So text align property is used, which we have seen in previous videos. I want to set text align to right. Now let's set table header property. Background color to red and color is equal to white. So we have set various property of table header, table data and table. So let's run and see what will be the effect of this table. So we are reloading just page. We can see the height of table is changed. So the border of table is size of 1 pixel, which is very thin, and table header contains background color as red and text color is white. Table data contains background color of yellow and text data to red, and table border is of pink color. And the size of the table is 100% and height of the table is 500 pixel. Now let's make changes in this table. I am going to give 5 pixel to border. I am giving width is equal to 150 pixel. Now let's run. We can see the size of the table is changed to 150 pixel and the border width is now 5 pixel. So this way how we can format the tables and give effects to the table. So this is about table styling. Thank you.